Ever been on a trip, whipped out your fancy travel card, only to be met with a confusing jumble of currencies? You're not alone. Traveling the world is amazing, but foreign finances can feel like a tangled mess. The currency conundrum. Imagine you're in Tokyo, ready to devour some delicious ramen. You whip out your YouTrip card, but a question pops into your head: which currency will it use? My yen, my dollars, or something else entirely? Fear not, travel warriors. Today, we'll crack the code on YouTrip's currency magic and ensure your overseas adventures are smooth sailing or ramen slurping from here on out. YouTrip's multi-currency mastery. The beauty of YouTrip lies in its multi-currency magic. You can hold up to 10 different currencies in your account, like your local dollars, euros, yen, the whole shebang. This gives you incredible flexibility when traveling. The preferred payment path. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, how YouTrip decides which currency to use. Here's the breakdown. The local hero. If you're spending in a currency you already have loaded in your YouTrip account, that's the champ. It'll be deducted directly from that specific wallet. Ramen in Tokyo? Your yen gets to shine. Smart exchange to the rescue. Let's say you're craving gelato in Rome, but haven't preloaded euros. No worries. YouTrip's clever smart exchange feature steps in. It automatically converts the transaction amount from another currency in your account, using live exchange rates with no hidden fees. The order of operations. But wait, there's more. If you don't have enough of the local currency or haven't preloaded any other currencies, YouTrip has a backup plan. Here's the order it follows to find the funds. Singapore dollars, SGD, your home turf currency, gets first dibs. US dollars, USD, the mighty greenback, is next in line. Euros, Euro, the European powerhouse, joins the party. And so on, following a predetermined list of the 10 supported currencies. The power of preloading. While smart exchange is awesome, remember, exchange rates can fluctuate. To potentially save some dough, consider preloading your YouTrip account with currencies you know you'll be using. YouTrip's app even has handy currency exchange rate trackers to help you time your swaps perfectly. Bonus tip: keep an eye on minimum balances. Remember, some currencies might have minimum balance requirements. YouTrip will warn you if your balance dips below this limit, so you can top it up before your next purchase. YouTrip, your currency conquering companion. With YouTrip's multi-currency magic and smart exchange, you can conquer confusing foreign finances with ease. No more scrambling to figure out exchange rates. YouTrip takes care of it all, leaving you free to focus on exploring and creating unforgettable travel memories. So next time you're jet-setting around the globe, pack your YouTrip card alongside your sense of adventure. With its user-friendly interface and clever currency management, YouTrip ensures your financial journey is as smooth as that perfect plate of ramen. Happy travels, everyone! With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.